up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's been quite a little bit of time since we last picked up the camera because a lot of us are just getting new parts for the car. And getting new parts, we're here with Jericho today and Uzma Guzmeister here. So today we're actually going to install a new catback exhaust onto the FRS BRZ 86, whatever the hell it is. Chill out, boy. What kind of exhaust is it?
It's OBX racing catback exhaust.
Yeah, so this exhaust has four resonators, so it should allow the car for a deeper and less raspier tone. Also, Jericho's car is like super loud, but if the car's the same amount of loudness,
fucking limitless.
Limit more, right? Limit more. For those of you who haven't heard, this is how loud Jericho's car is, and I know you guys know, louder the better, but for current circumstances in California, we're just gonna change it up, but it should sound pretty nice still.
Sit down, you sit down, you sit down, you sit down.
What the fuck? Why do we put the wraps on if we're gonna be working back here? Dude, what the fuck are we doing?
We're so used to your car. We've been working in the front.
It's been so long since I worked on a car that we're so stupid.
What are we doing?
Oh my god.
That's the whole exhaust. Catback exhaust right here. This is the exit, the tip right here.
How come the exit looks like the
It's the same, so that there's more flow. So we should be good.
I think this one actually comes straight out the middle like this, right?
Yeah, no, yeah. That's how it works. That's for flame.
Like that, right? But it was like here it is, guys. So the exhaust here actually has two resonators, as you can see. One of the main ones and then another secondary one that will really dampen that sound just a little bit more. We're hoping that it does dampen the sound of the car while keeping that nice sound, I guess. Oh, here's the mid pipe as well. Another resonator. So it's two tips, so 2, 4, 5 resonators for you guys. And obviously this thing is still catted, so
like it's called a exposed exhaust, actually.
Yeah.
So that they can look at your setup when you pull up to car meets.
Really?
Yeah, so like if you're pulling up to a car meet and they don't know your exhaust, you don't even have to tell them because it'll just be like this. Then all they'll see is this.
I like to believe that this is safe. The front of your car can always like just roll forward. That's fine. We'll be able to get under. You feel it?
Fucking shaking so much.
Who has your jacks? Is that your house?
No, my jack stands are they're not mine, they're Josh's.
Oh, Matthews? Yeah, the outside his house. We can go get him.
Let's go.
Sit down, you sit down.
Brand new. Obo.
We have arrived at our friend's Matthew's place, and his jacks are located right next to his trash can.
All the way in the fucking back.
Very safe. Oh, shit. Hello. We're in need of jacks.
Making my car quieter.
Again?
Just a little bit quieter.
He got a new exhaust.
How many times have you taken it off?
That's another question.
Can I come?
Yeah, you can come. This is that once a month experience where I get to see you.
This man never comes.
You sit down.
So all we're gonna do now, guys, is Jericho's gonna remove his axle backs, which are the pretty loud exhaust, mixed with his headers here, and then Jericho's gonna do that because he's probably done it like 50. You're gonna leak on him. Yeah, he's probably done like 50 times because he keeps changing his mind whether he wants to be quiet or loud because he gets scared. But so you can do that like actually pretty fast because. What the fuck?
Like the cool blue light. 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 Like the cool blue light.
What's an investment?
Dude, I know $15 for the hanger tool. You guys need one. I'm telling you, you guys need a hanger tool. Alright, get me out of here. Sorry, Jericho. 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 I can't do nothing. Ah, fuck you. Alright guys, so exhaust is off, or the axle back and the mid pipe of the stock one is off. Now we're gonna install the new ones here and start this bad boy up and see if anything happens. The install is really easy so far actually, so I mean it's just an install, it's just a catback, so just some bolts and hangers, and if you get a hanger remover tool just like mine, 15 bucks from Home Depot, saves you buttload of work and time. Everybody, so the really easy install, but the only things we kind of ran into these hangers here, the actual hanger part that goes into the hanger, they're really small and they look like they want to come out half the time, as you can see right there. They look like they just want to come out all the time, so like we just gotta kind of like push them in and hope for the best that they stay. But regardless, from what we can see under, it exhaust looks really cool. This looks really cool. Hopefully the sound's pretty nice too.
How's the fitment on the exhaust like from that side? Is it even or? With these cars usually it's uneven.
It's
alright.
more even than your other ones.
Okay. Yeah, my other ones are like ass.
Yeah, I'd say they're more even than your other ones. Pretty even at least.
Okay, reveal.
Yo, it's actually. There we go. It's pretty good. That's perfect, bro.
I think it sounds like your car.
I know. That's what I said. I said it was gonna sound like my car, and it sounded like my car.
This is what I want.
Perfect, dude. That's perfect. You want to hear it?
Even your idol's quiet.
Yes. Not bad, right? It's not as raspy and loud as my axle back, because those are loud.
Alright guys, so the exhaust is installed. Jericho's right there. Now we're just gonna go drive and maybe get some like boba or something, and on the way there I'll see if I can get some sound clips of his car. The car sounds like really clean with just like with some resonators and that's yeah guys, I mean the car sounds super clean with more resonators. That's also the reason why I got my exhaust too. The NVIDIA R400 has, I think it has a resonator for each of the tips as well as the mid pipe, and it's kind of hard driving with one hand driving stick and everything, but I'm gonna see if I can get up to Jericho up there and get some more sound clips for you guys. But regardless, from what I can see right now, or what I can hear right now, it sounds really good. So let me just make my way up there and see if I can get some more clips for Jericho. Got a tunnel coming up, boys. You know what that means. mean, the exhaust just sounds phenomenal, guys. Like, nice and resonated, I guess. Clean. And there she blows. Sounds good. It's like nothing you'd get pulled over. Well, I mean, if there's a dick cop, will pull you over. But like, if the cop's penis is this big,
the chances like are slimmer now though.
yeah, they won't look at you as much. All right, well, hello everybody. Well, at the end of the video here, and all in all, the OBX CATBACK exhaust is actually pretty nice in my opinion. It's like, since it has 4 resonators, it really deepens that tone of the BRZ, FRS 86, whatever it is. And if you guys are wondering why I call it that, it's because Jericho's car has literally parts from the 86, FRS, and BRZ, so we can't tell what really the car is. A lot of the OEM parts are Subaru, but then a lot of the other parts are Scion, the other parts are Toyota, so we don't really know. But getting back to the exhaust is actually super nice. It has those 4 resonators. It really makes that sound deeper and way cleaner and less raspier. So I know a lot of you guys, you know, really want to go louder and louder and louder, but under the circumstances of Jericho and me, we're pretty scared of getting state ref again, because we both got state ref. But eventually later down the road, we are going to just start full sending it again and just, you know, going to meets and stuff. But obviously that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, I'm stepping up the production again videos, because I really I'm not satisfied with how I'm making these videos lately. But hopefully this video, you guys enjoy these longer videos and everything. So I will see you guys next time in the next video. Lots of big things coming, trust me. I just need to wait for some parts to come in, and the WX is gonna get a lot more stuff. So is the 350 and BRZ, and I'm introducing another build to the channel very soon. So I will see you guys next time. Thank you for all support recently. Bye bye.